So, all right, welcome back again. So, this is our second tutorial. Like I said previously, you just go on your login, and once you log in, you see your interface. So, this was the app we created the other time tutorial. Look at it here, tutorial app tutorial. So, here is it. So since your interface will just show like this, and you only have the one we created previous one. So now we want to go on the second one, which I say how to create a game app or how to convert a website to app. Let me quickly take you there. You click on create app. Once you click on create app, let's say tutorial 2, tutorial sorry tutorial 2, and we pick any random. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to change this interface tutorial, the icon. I think I forgot in the previous video, but everything is just like the same. Just follow it. We click on next. Now I want to create a web app, so let's just go to web direct. I click on web. Now it's asking me the title of the app. In case you have any website that you want to convert to app, this is just how to create it. Let me use my own website to avoid any problem. Let me go to bidatech bidatech.com .ng. So this is just the website I designed for just for training like that, and I'm going to teach you how to design something like this. As you can see, I have not uploaded anything much about it. So look at this tech updates. So I think I only put 2 articles there. So this basically is the website I designed for the tutorial this thing. So if you're seeing it anywhere, you can just join us here. Here is our Telegram, and here is our WhatsApp, and also this is our platform. If you click on any of this, it will direct you to. So let's copy the link. You copy the link of the website you want to create the app with, and you go back to where you are creating the app. Let's say bidatech. So you paste the link here. Paste. You go to manager. You go to section. So here is it. You have it like this. You have it. This one you don't need to do anything about it. You don't need to maybe go to interface or design whatsoever. Well, I think let's check the fonts, the type menu. The type menu, you can decide to leave it top menu, and you can decide to leave it without menu. But for now, let's quickly download it and see how it look like. Now we have 2 people who are on queue, so let me pause the video first. So now it has come up. Now let's just download it. Download again. So it has complete download. Let's go there, and I think this is it. Sorry. So here is it. Or just after you download, just go to your phone and go to download history, and you will find it there. You click on install. So it has installed, and it's opening now. Now, since it's a web app, I don't need all this interface. Look at it, just take a look at it. Look how beautiful it is. So I don't need all this interface, and also there is something that it's display. Let me quickly go back. Let me, here is it. So I don't want this loading image to come up. Once I click on it, all I want is to go straight to the 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 site without clicking, without showing anything. So this here now, as you can see, all these thing, you will definitely remove it to make it sense. So let's quickly go there and I will show you how to remove it now. So you come back here, you come to this type menu, this top menu, come to blank without menu, just click here. Once you click here, everything will be removed at the top menu. You will come to this loading image, remove it. Okay, once you remove it, that's all. Let's quickly go there again. You check it, you should be able to remove. So let's reload it. Let's open it again. So as you can see now, there is nothing like loading image there. So this is basically how you can create, how you can convert any website to app. Look how very simple it is. So now I said I want to teach you how to remove this image. The image is showing here, this image. Now let me use my own image. Let me use my own image. The not image, the icon, the site icon. So go to name and site like this. If you want to change the name of the site, like this is tutorial now, I want to change it to beta tech, b b tech, b tech. Just let change it to something like this. And this is the image I pick initial as a random. Let me quickly change it to my own image. And mind you, if you want to use the image and you want it to look perfect, kindly resize the image and make it exactly this pixel, 256 by 256 pixel. So you can go to image resize, and you can quickly resize any image. Let me remove this and upload my own icon. So let me use this icon. Let me use one of these icon as my, let me use this emoji. I will click on the save. Yes, do you want to make this save changes? Yes. So now it has changed. This now, let me quickly show you some changes. Anytime you create your app, always ensure that you switch off this login. It will show you there is a place, it show you login. Let's come to general setting. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, that should be in the, that should be available over there. But okay, now, so if you want to include your description, this is where to include your description, the description of app. You can quickly go to ChatGPT and any kind of app you create, and tell ChatGPT to give you a short description of the app you create. You give it the prompt like that, and it will generate you the description. So this just how to create the web app, and this is it like this. Okay, since we change our image, our icon, it asks us to download it again. Let me quickly download. So I have quickly downloaded it, and here is it now. Let me install it, update. So here is it, BTech. As you can see, the name has changed. I don't know if you can see. The name has changed from tutorial 2 to BTech, and I will click on it, and this how it is. So this is just um how to convert any website to app. Very simple. So our in our next tutorial we are going to create a game app.